Large language models are brilliant reasoners, but ask one to multiply two big numbers or run an algorithm and it often just guesses. Tool integrated reasoning, or TIR, fixes that. The model interleaves its natural language thinking with real code that a Python interpreter actually runs, then reads the result and continues. In this video, why pure reasoning fails, what TIR is, how the loop works, its architecture, how it compares to chain of thought, the benchmarks, the code, and when to reach for it. Here is the pain. A language model predicts text one token at a time. It never truly calculates. So exact arithmetic, long division, symbolic algebra, and multi-step algorithms are exactly where it slips. Chain of thought helps it plan, but a single wrong digit halfway through quietly ruins the final answer. For math, finance, and data work, plausible sounding is not good enough. You need the answer to actually be correct. Tool integrated reasoning gives the model an escape hatch. It reasons in words until it hits something better computed than guessed. Then it writes a small block of code, usually Python, and hands it to an interpreter. The interpreter runs it and returns the real output. The model reads that observation and keeps reasoning. Language handles planning and abstraction. Code handles precise calculation. You get the strengths of both in one solution trajectory. Watch the loop. The model reasons in natural language about how to approach the problem. When it needs an exact result, it emits a code block. A sandboxed interpreter executes that code and captures the output, a number, a table, or an error. That observation is fed straight back into the context, and the model reasons on. It repeats this cycle as many times as needed, until it is confident, then writes the final answer. Under the hood, four pieces work together. The language model is the policy that decides what to think and when to call a tool. Special markers wrap each code block so the system knows where execution starts and stops. A sandboxed code interpreter runs the block safely and returns its output. And a feedback channel injects that output back into the prompt as a new observation. A stop condition ends the loop once a final answer is produced. Compare it to plain chain of thought. Chain of thought reasons entirely in text, so every calculation is just another prediction the model might get wrong, and errors compound step by step. Tool integrated reasoning offloads the hard computation to an interpreter that is always exact. The model still plans in words, but the numbers are guaranteed. On tough benchmarks, that difference is the gap between a clever-looking answer and a correct one. It helps to place TIR in a family. Chain of thought does everything in natural language. Program of thought, also called Programmated Language Models, or PAL, writes one program up front and runs it. Great for compute, but weak at flexible planning. Tool integrated reasoning is the hybrid. It interleaves natural language reasoning with multiple rounds of code, so the model can plan, compute, check the result, and adjust, all within a single solution. And the results are dramatic. Simple TIR more than doubled a text-only reasoning score on the IIME 2024 competition, from 22 up to over 50. Microsoft's array was the first open model to pass 50% on the hard math benchmark. And Qwen 2.5 math shows even a tiny 1.5 billion model reaches about 80% on math once it can call a Python interpreter. Tools raise the ceiling, not just the average. In practice, a TIR trajectory looks like this. The model writes some reasoning, then a fenced Python block. A runner executes it, and the printed result is pasted back as an observation. The model reads that number and then continues or finishes. Frameworks like Qwen 2.5 Math and Microsoft's array ship this format out of the box, and newer methods use reinforcement learning to teach the model when calling a tool is actually worth it. Where does TIR shine? Anywhere the answer is checkable by code. Competition and grade school math, obviously. Data analysis agents that load a file and compute real statistics. Scientific and engineering problems needing exact numerics or symbolic algebra. And broader tool-using agents, where the same pattern, reason, call a tool, read the result, powers web search, databases, and even LLM judges that verify their own verdicts with code. So, when should you reach for it? Use TIR whenever correctness depends on exact computation, math, numerics, data, or symbolic work, and you have a safe sandbox to run code in. Think twice when the task is open-ended writing or judgment with nothing to compute, when latency and cost matter for very simple queries, or when running model-generated code is a security risk you cannot contain. Match the tool to the problem. Let's recap. A language model predicts text, so it cannot truly calculate. Tool-integrated reasoning interleaves its natural language thinking with real code that an interpreter runs and returns. The loop is simple. Reason, write code, execute, read the result, repeat until solved. Compared to chain of thought, it hands the hard math to an always correct interpreter, which drives big gains on math and AIME. Reach for it whenever the answer can be checked by code. That is tool-integrated reasoning. Let the model think in words, but compute with code. It is how today's best math and data models turn plausible answers into provably correct ones. Did this make tool-integrated reasoning click? Follow for plain English genai breakdowns, and save this to share with a teammate who is still trusting an LLM to do arithmetic in its head.